Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a custom origami style design in Canva. Okay, let's get started. First, just start with a blank site like this, then you can add a background. In this tutorial I will use a gradient background, but feel free to pick any styles that you like. I will use this one, like this. Now just go to Apps tab, and then search for origami, and then just open this apps. And then just type anything to describe your image or your origami. In this tutorial, I will type panda like this. And then just choose your preferred layout. I will choose portrait. And then just generate image. Like this, and see, Canva gives you a cool origami style panda like this. And then just add to designs. Adjust the size. And then use the background remover to get rid of the white background. Like this. And then you can also add a soft shadow underneath to give it some depth. Maybe like this. After that, you can keep customizing, like add text or other elements or anything that you want to make it your own. And if you want to explore more, just try just try to just try typing in other animals or objects to generate more origami designs. And that's it, a super simple origami style designs made in Canva. Give it a try and create your own unique visuals. Okay, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!